Let us start with T-stance, facing left, overhand weave, and turn right to underhand weave, turn left into counterclockwise pinwheel, make it big, make it big, make it big again, and then turn 360 to the right, around, back into pinwheel, come down and overhand on the left side, step your right foot forward, left turn 360 to overhand weave, right turn 360 to overhand weave, open it up, step your left forward, sweep up over the top into counterclockwise, chase the sun, come up into pinwheel again. We'll do the 3 extensions, and then on the 4th one, turn right again. This is the 3rd, and now here we go on the 4th, 360. Come all the way around, back into pinwheel. Turn right to underhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, underhand weave, open it up, cap, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down. Turn left to pinwheel together time, plane shift it down into corkscrew. Tap on the left, up, over, down, around, tap on the right, up, over, down, around, tap on the left, up, over, down, around, tap on the right. Turn as you come up and around, down and tap, turn, up, around, down and tap, up, around, down and tap. Last time, up and to the right. Now we're going to add the jump, turn, and to the right, turn, jump, to the left, turn, jump, to the right, turn, jump, and then up into the counterclockwise corkscrew, and turn to the left with it. We're going to go 360, and plane shift it up to pinwheel, plane shift it, plane shift it, plane shift it. And now do your extension 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now on the 4th, do the 360 coming back around into pinwheel. Turn left into the overhand weave. Right turn 360. Left turn 360. Open it up, sweep back, underhand weave on the right. Right turn 360. Left turn 360. And extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, lockout right, lockout left, lockout right, lockout left, turning left, counterclockwise pinwheel one more time, extension 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now do the 360, come back around to the counterclockwise pinwheel, and together time, bring it down and stall and tap to the right, up, down, stall, tap to the left, up, down, stall, and kick to the right, up, down, stall, and kick to the left, up, down, stall, and kick to the right, and then come into clockwise pinwheel, extension 3 times, and then this time we're going to turn to the left on the 4th one, so now this one, turn left, 360, and come down and overhand weave on the right, and right turn 360, left turn 360, open it up, sweep back, chase the sun clockwise, up into the together time pinwheel, go big, 3 times. 1, and 2, and 3, and now together time 360, come all the way around, back into together time pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, open it up into giant on the right, right foot forward, when the left hits the bottom, turn left to underhand giant, on the left, when the right hits the top, turn right to overhand giant, when the left hits the bottom, underhand giant, now swivel clockwise, back and forth, 3rd time, last time, come into overhand on the right, overhand weave, open up the legs, stall right between the legs, turn left, butterfly, now left turn 360, butterfly turn around, and now right turn 360, butterfly turn around, left turn 360 again, and right turn 360, so take out, turn, come to underhand butterfly, take out, turn to overhand butterfly, and stall.